Hello class, my name is Samantha Holmes and I'm going to be doing my mission report on the planet Mars. Mars is actually the fourth planet from our sun, just right after Earth. An interesting thing that you should know is that it shows a lot of more volcanic activity than our planet Earth has in the past. So that would explain something in a future slide. The size of Mars is actually 53% of the Earth's size, and it's about 4,000. The diameter is about 4,000 miles across. Or 4,000 kilometers across. That will be more specific about that because the mathematics wouldn't make quite much sense. The size of Mars compared to Earth is to fit the density of the Earth. To Mars, you would actually have to fit six Mars into the planet Earth to make it equal. The surface of Mars is described by many people as a barren wasteland filled with old volcanoes and impact craters. The surface is mostly covered in basalt and a iron oxide dust, which gives it the more reddish tones that we see, or what we perceive it as when we see the images of Mars. So Mars isn't just a red planet; it's covered in rust, is what it basically is. The most interesting thing that I discovered about Mars is that it is home to the biggest mountain in our entire solar system, the Olympus Mons, which is 17 miles high. So it's actually 3 times larger than Mount Everest. It's actually home to one of the biggest volcanoes, which is also Olympus Mons, in the entire solar system, as well as one of the biggest canyons as well. One of the interesting facts about that is that the evidence of the canyon does give evidence that there was water on the planet at one point. The mission the Mars exploration mission that I chose was the Mars Pathfinder mission that started in 1996. Before its final transmission in 1997, it was actually discovered that from soil and rock samples and extensive data from this machine is that Mars once may have had a warm and wet planet, to where the water existing in its liquid state in a thicker atmosphere. So Mars, thousands of years or hundreds of thousands of years ago, was completely different from the Mars that we know today. So one of the things that I think we should discover and we should explore more about Mars is that this planet could be Earth in the future. And to find out what happened from today to whatever day in the past that made the planet transform in the way that it has as to what it is now. And that's my mission report.